Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and I am also well. Today our fifth English speaking day. You know that we all speak every day, we all practice every day to improve our speaking quality, to improve our speaking fluency. And in my first video I spoke, but now I am also speaking. If you can, if you want to judge them, or if you want to compare them, you also notice that our speaking, also my speaking, is improving. That's happened. So it's also happen when we will practice every day. I mean 30 day I decide we will speak 30 day, even don't, even if we do not update, even if you do not notice any update in our speaking quality, then also we will speak, we will practice. Because I think, don't only I think, but all of think that, all of say that consistency is the key to success. And I hope you all know that what is consistency. So that's not matter that you are improving or your speaking quality improving. That's not matter. The matter is, are you practicing every day? It's the matter. First of all, you question yourself that, am I practicing all day? Am I practicing every day? This is the question. So practice every day. And the I can also share with you another thing that, and my last video, when I upload my last video, the first 5 hours my video don't get any viewers, and I also scared. But later, later I realized that this is no matter, because I am, I want to speak fluency, speak confidently. I don't want any subscribe, any big channel or any money. This is not my target. My target is speaking. So then I think that, and I also feel relaxed. So that's not matter. You are improving. So then I am grateful that I am improving. I am notice this improving, my improving. And when you also start noticing you're improving, then you also feel another confident to do this again and again. So I'm so feeling this. And when I come here this place, you all know that I every day make my video this place, because in the morning when the birds, you also listening that birds are singing, and uh, fogs are everywhere around me, and paddy fields everywhere. So these materials makes the environment calm and cold. So I like this environment so much. And now for this I go out in the morning every day and make video. So come back our topics. Then if you also practice every day, then you also feel another attraction to do this work. So make a target, make a plan. This also important, because if you work randomly, then you when you I share my work in a day. uh, Before I make uh, 15 day before, when I had no routine, no proper plan, then